Voiceover work can be a lucrative way to make money online. In this video, we'll show you how to get started in voiceover work and share some tips on how to maximize your earning potential. First, you'll need to build your skills. This can be done through voiceover classes, online courses, or practice on your own. Once you have some experience, you'll want to create a demo reel showcasing your voiceover abilities. This can be a critical part of securing clients, so make sure your demo reel is of high quality. Next, you'll need to find clients. There are a variety of websites where you can find voiceover work, such as Upwork, Voices.com, and Voice123. You can also network with people in the industry and seek out opportunities through social media and other channels. Marketing yourself is also crucial in the voiceover industry. You can create a website or social media pages to showcase your work and attract potential clients. Networking with industry professionals and attending conferences can also help you gain exposure. In summary, to make money with voiceover work, you need to build your skills, create a high-quality demo reel, find clients through various sources, and market yourself effectively.